In this video clip, I'll be talking about the auxiliary table. The auxiliary table fits onto the end of our sander, and there's a few thumb screws that you need to tighten down to hold it in place. Now, the auxiliary table on the end of our sander is designed to sand inside curves. This is a great feature for sanders like these. You can get just about any type of radius that's larger than the roller, and as you sand, you're just going to move it along that inside radius. Now, one thing nice about this auxiliary table is if you have a larger piece of stock that's really tall, you can always move that table down. Perhaps this is maybe a leg to a pedestal table. You can sand down the end and get a nice rounded edge so that it fits nicely to that center column on the table.